In today's video, we are going to cover how to send money from Wise to Cash App. Start by logging in to your Wise account. Once you are signed in, go to the main account area and look for the Send option. Click Send to begin setting up the transfer. You will now choose the currency you want to send and enter the amount that should arrive in Cash App. Make sure the currency and amount match what you intend to transfer, especially if you are sending between different currencies. After entering those details, click Continue to move to the next screen. At this point, Wise will ask who you are sending money to. If you have not saved your Cash App account as a recipient before, select Add a Recipient. This opens the recipient setup form where you can enter the bank information linked to your Cash App account. In the recipient details section, enter your Cash App bank account number and routing number. These details need to match the receiving account exactly, so check them carefully before moving on. If the account information is incorrect, the transfer could be delayed or sent to the wrong destination. After entering the Cash App account details, review the recipient information shown on screen. Look over the bank account and routing details and confirm that everything matches the Cash App account where you want the money to arrive. If you notice anything incorrect, go back and fix it before continuing. Next, Wise will show you the transfer summary. Review the full transfer details, including the amount being sent, any transfer fees, and the exchange rate if one applies to your transfer. This is the point where you confirm the final amount that will be withdrawn and the amount expected to reach your Cash App account. Take a moment here to make sure the details are accurate before sending the payment. When everything looks correct, click Confirm and Send. Wise will then process the transfer using the payment details and recipient information you entered. Depending on your account and the type of transfer, you may see a brief processing screen while Wise submits the payment. Once the transfer has been sent, the remaining step is to wait for the money to arrive in your Cash App account. Transfer timing can vary, so give it a little time if it does not appear immediately. You can monitor the transfer status in Wise while you wait, and then check Cash App for the incoming funds. Thanks for watching. Your money transfer from Wise to your Cash App account has now been submitted and is on its way.